Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. My name is Keithan, and the burning question here is that is there a change in the pattern for CAT? So there is an official mock which has been uploaded by the IMs. I am Kozhikode predominantly, and it has always been the case that whenever you get a mock, the official mock, it is always like 99.99% of the time you will have the same CAT. I mean, not question wise, but yeah, the format wise. So this is the link actually out here. So I'll put the link in the description. You can check it. You don't have to do anything. You just go ahead and just put in the sign in, click in there. You have these instructions given. Just click that you agree everything, and then just log in. Now, if you look at verbal ability section, yeah, as far as the verbal ability section is concerned, everything looks damn good. So you've got 34 questions in there, and you are sorted with that. Now, do not worry about the questions. The questions are nothing but the copy pasted one from the last year's paper. Look at this ATM question. This is like 2018 slot 2 actually. So what we're going to do is just go ahead. I'm going to submit this. Now, this is another shocking thing for me, is that I am now actually able to kind of submit this mock before the time limit gets over. But that's still okay. So till here, it looks fine. It looks normal. The main concern or the main issue starts with your DILR section, because DILR has always been 32 questions. Now the mock, the official CAT mock shows it is to be 28 questions. So there are -4 questions. Now that's the main concern, that will this be a new pattern for CAT? So here you've got 28 questions. Now let's move ahead and let's check, because then you will be seeing those -4 questions in your Quants section. So your Quants section should have 38 questions, which you can see now that in Quants you have 38 questions. Now that's where the entire screw up is happening. So if you look at total, you are getting 100 questions, 34 in verbal, 28 in DI, and you're getting 38 questions in your as far as your Quant is concerned. So I think if you look at overall, it tallies, but the problem is that can this be taken as a new format? Now there might be a possibility that the pattern had changed. See, to be very honest, I don't want to sound as an oversmart dumb who will say that this is fake and all that, this is not correct. I really don't want to kind of get into that conclusion. What I want to understand is if this is an error, because it kind of looks an error, because if you move ahead with the question, this set out here, this is the amusement park. This is nothing but your previous CAT year ka set. And then from question number 5, you have actual quantitative ability starting up. So again, let's say that this is an error. So if it's an error, then I think there should be a proper mock that needs to be uploaded. But again, if it's an error, then it's a bizarre, because when it's coming from I am Kozhikode, I would definitely expect a 4-eye check to be in place, so that these kind of screw ups are not happening, because official mock is one of the most important aspect of entire CAT process. So that's the one argument that I can have. The another argument that I can have is you don't really have to worry about what questions are there, because CAT official mock is all about your UI, which is user interface, how it looks, what all stuff you have. Let's say over here, like all these things, green shows the answered one, red shows not answered one, all that stuff. So this is all about giving all the students the idea about the infra, the UI. So here if as a paper set, I really don't care what questions I'm putting in. So if it's quant, I can probably consider this as a quant also, because I mean there can be any number of reasons for that. So we are not really sure. Now the another thing that I believe is that if you look at every 4 years, it's not 3 years or 2 years, every 4 years CAT would change the pattern. So the last time pattern was changed was, so let's talk from the beginning. So it was changed in 2011. So 2011, then 12, then 13, then 14, and then it was changed in 2015. Then 2015, 16, 17, 18, and now it's 2019. So there might be a possibility that these guys have changed the pattern. But again, benefit of doubt, I still feel that this is not a change in the pattern. If it is, then you will get to know from IM itself. But as of now, I don't want to kind of jump on the conclusion. Whatever is there, Let's hope for it. And again, I mean, like, I will keep you guys updated. So do not try to give this mock. Do not try to even take this mock so seriously. Wait for a couple of days. Let's hear from IM. I am very sure there will be something, on the back of this mock. If it's a technical error, this needs to get sorted, or there will be a communication from IM. So do not freak out. Do not believe in this. Just focus on your studies. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe, because I will be giving you guys complete update as far as these mocks things are concerned and anything that is related to CAT. So I think as of now, that's it from my side. Do not take this seriously as of now. Let's see what's there. I'll keep you posted, guys. Thank you so much.